Okay, hi guys. Good evening. This is Joshua. So in this video, I'll be taking you guys through GitHub. So basically, this is my GitHub account. So imagine I want to create a repository. Can you see it? I'll just click on this plus button here and say a new repo. Right. So once I do a new repo, what I'll do next is name the repo. What's the name of the repo? Let's say school, for example. So I can give it a simple description, and if I don't want to give it a simple description, then it's fine, but if I want to, then it's cool. But let me just put some things that's not really meaningful here. Okay, so I'll create a repo. Is this as easy as that? So my repo is here, up and running. So that is just it. But I noticed that some of you guys are finding it difficult to create your part because recently GitHub have disabled the use of password. So what GitHub use now most time is actually the personal access token. So how do you create a part? Just come to settings, right? Come to settings and come to accessibility. Is it accessibility again? Okay, no, developer settings. Come to developer settings, and you can come here. You can see personal access token. So you click on it, and you can generate a new token. So I have a token already, so I don't want to expire in 2 months time. So you can just create your token, and beware that once you be careful that the token you create, please copy it and put it in a secure place that you can copy it and put it in either your Gmail address or your Google Drive. So because once you create your token on GitHub, you won't be able to access it again unless you copy it and paste it somewhere, and you'll be using it to Git push your work. So that is that on that. So let's quickly go back. So I've created the repo already. So how do I now use it? Okay, so I think if I come here, repository. I have 80 repository here. Oh, so this is my repo here. It's cool. All right, 10 minutes ago. So the use of creating a repo is so we could connect it to our local terminal. So create a local on the command line. So how do you create a local repo on the command line? So let me quickly come here and come in. Oops. Apology. Windows, of course, I would have did that. Cool. And what do I want to share? I want to share my terminal. So